How are things going for everyone? Hello, Sam. We all know that VPNs are important for crypto. To be honest, you don't want people to know who you are, what you do on crypto websites, or maybe even how much crypto you have. A lot of people don't like it when other people know about their wallets or how much cryptocurrency they have. That makes sense, right? Some people are crazy if they know how much cryptocurrency you have. Also, if you don't have a VPN, they might be able to figure out where you live or where you're doing these deals, right? It could be very dangerous. In light of this, I would like to talk to you today about a very interesting project that is working on OpenVPNs. In a moment, we'll talk about why that's important. But you can see that the VPN market has 1.5 billion users and makes a huge $44 billion a year. But I think this is nothing compared to where it will be in 10 years. They think this market will grow 8 to 9 times. That sounds crazy until you think about how many people use the internet and how few of them know what a VPN is. A very small number of people know what a VPN is, but more and more people are starting to understand that their data is not safe unless they use one. In crypto, there are also a lot of people who don't do any advertising but will talk about VPNs because they're useful and can keep you from getting scammed. Okay, today we're going to talk about Cosmic Network. Because channel, I'm going to put links to them below the movie. On their website, they do a good job of explaining what a VPN is and why you want an open VPN. They explain it, but let's also read their Twitter thread about it. In a world where digital privacy is constantly at risk, VPNs or virtual private networks have become important ways to keep our online activities safe. But what if we could say that a VPN encrypts your internet link, hiding what you do online from people who don't want to see it? A VPN is your digital shield. It stops hackers from stealing your information on public Wi-Fi and stops your ISP from tracking you. Traditional VPNs do have some problems, though. Trust is a big problem with regular VPNs. People who use a VPN must be able to trust the company with their info. Look at this. Please, as you can see, you have to enter your email address and payment information. You can also get a private IP and cover your tracks, but you are putting private information out there, right? They also say that hackers can target centralized systems and add some. Providers keep records of what users do, which defeats the goal of a VPN. That's where DVPNs, or Decentralized Virtual Private Networks, come in. DVPNs use blockchain technology to spread data across many nodes. This makes it very hard for a single entity to view or control your data. People who use DVPNs get back control of their privacy. There isn't a single point of failure or a central server that can be hacked. Every person in the network is both a client and a server, which makes it safer and more private. DVPNs also serve the trust issue by ensuring that the network works in a trustless environment thanks to blockchain transactions and data transfers are transparent and immutable, making it easy to verify the integrity of the network. The future of online privacy is open. DVPNs not only provide a more secure and private internet experience, but also pave the way for truly open and free internet where users have control over their own data. In conclusion, while traditional VPNs play a vital role in our current digital landscape, DVPNs offer a glimpse into a more secure and private future. Okay, so Cosmic Network is that fix. You can go to their website. I'll leave a link underneath the video, but they are really interesting. They already have a token, by the way. It's around a $26 million market cap. It's done quite well. But when you look at some of their competitors, for example, Deeper Network is a little bit smaller now, but apparently they hit an all-time high of $4 billion in market cap. And this back in 2021, they released their DVPN routers. This is when they hit their $4 billion, but they had no software nodes, which in turn meant missing out on millions of users. There was also no revenue share for holders. Now, Cosmic Network actually has that. So they have a revenue share model. You can go through this if you'd like. There are a lot of different moving parts to it. So it's on their Twitter. But now when you compare this, Cosmic Network seeing around $26 million, the other one used to be about $4 billion at the peak. Man, I mean, there's a lot of potential there, and we know that just in general, DePin is going to be a huge sector during this next bull run. And this obviously is DePin. It provides utility, which includes hardware router, software nodes, revenue share, and full data inscription as well. This is their founder right here. You can go follow him on LinkedIn. He's fully doxed. And they have 3 co-founding team members with backgrounds in cybersecurity, infrastructure, and project management on different blockchain applications. So they have a roadmap that you can go follow on the website. Right now, they've onboarded 4 PhDs to build hardware prototypes. They were gold sponsors for Token 2049 in Dubai, so they have a presence, which I always like to see. They've achieved testing speeds over 10 to 20x faster than other VPN providers in some locations. In May, they're working on their hardware prototype model release, public, their public release of Cosmic's own VPN network, router waitlist sale, and a final router model. In June, they plan on their public launch of hardware routers and the public release of software nodes. Recently, they launched on Nexi, so you can actually trade Cosmic on Nexi. And you can scroll down here. If you didn't know that, you can always scroll down on something like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to see the other places that it trades, and you can get it over on Uniswap or Biking as well. But I would probably stick to Nexi or Uniswap. So this is a crypto that I'm watching. I think it's got a huge sector that it could grow into. There's just so much potential in this sector. And, with some of these VPN companies, they have been giving out deals for years. Like, they market aggressively because they are so profitable. They are so profitable. So Cosmic, if they can get a foothold, right, they can continue to grow and continue to grow and continue to scale. So if you want, you can check out the links underneath the video. Big thanks to Cosmic Network for sponsoring this video. And I really appreciate you guys watching. Check out their links. See you in the next one. Bye.